Do you think you can't make art because you can't draw? Think again. Today we're breaking the myth that art is only for people with perfect pencil skills. Whether you're a total beginner or just don't trust your stick figures, this video is for you. Art beyond drawing. Art isn't just about drawing, it's about creativity. Here are ways to make stunning art without picking up a pencil. Collages are a great way to create art. A fun way to make collages is with magazines. Get you a magazine, poster, glue, scissors, and let your imagination run wild. While you have your scissors out, cut out some letters, glue them onto a notebook. What else can we create? How about stencil art? Stencil art can be great because stencils takes the drawing out of the process. You can make beautiful artwork with stencil patterns. Would you ever believe that you can make stamp art with food? Yes, get yourself some potatoes, cut some shapes into them, and you will have stamp art. Go ahead, choose your color, and stamp away. How fun is that? Step into the world of digital art. Beginners, don't worry. Digital art can be created with a mixture of shape arrangements and many colors too. Take a look at some examples. Wow! You wouldn't believe digital art can be simple shape patterns with bold colors that stand out. Apps like Procreate and websites like Canva can get you started. See this mess? It's not a mistake, it's abstract art. Some of the best pieces come from oops moments. Watercolor blooms. Watch watercolor spreads transformed into galaxies. Ink blots characters. Turn random blots into quirky monsters with googly eyes. Embrace the chaos. Tech to the rescue. No brush? No problem. Use tech to cheat? Shh, we won't tell. Let's be real. Art isn't just about raw talent. It's about working smarter. Today we're diving into totally okay digital art cheats that even pros use. No guilt, just results. Forgot your stylus? Use your fingers. Most apps like Procreate or Fresco have finger painting modes. Or grab a kitchen sponge, dab it on your screen for instant texture. Shh, we won't tell. Photo editing equals instant pop art. Want Warhol vibes in 2 minutes? Open a photo in Photoshop, hit Filter Gallery, and play with cutouts or poster edges. Boom. Bonus apps like Prisma or PixArt turn selfies into paintings with one tap. Is it cheating? Nope. It's remixing. AI Art Your Idea Masterpiece. Type cyberpunk cat wearing sunglasses. Type mock prompt. When using AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. Voila. Now tweak it in Procreate to make it yours. AI is not replacing artists. It's speeding up the boring parts. Use it for mood boards or beating artists' block. Tracing, the dirty little secret. Guess what? DaVinci traced camera obscuras. Today, use an iPad as a light box or apps like Procreate's perspective guide to nail proportions. Tracing's only bad if you claim it's 100% original. Otherwise, it's practice. Tools don't make you less of an artist. They make you faster. So go cheat your way to amazing art. Now, which hack are you trying first? Drop a comment.